Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mkosa Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button, and also don't forget to smash the like button and the mpesane and uThami. They are expecting their third child njengoba uThami mpesane are pregnant ke sana mntwana is3 uThami kani lona kuyoba mntwana wesi5 ku-Andile njengoba uAndile Mpesane already have 2 kids with uSithelo Shoes ke sana, and people had a lot to say about lenzaba le lapha ku-Twitter, saying ukuthi umfana nje akanqunywe ipipi, ayikho nje lenzaba yakhe mfana ngazuthi uhlulwa impahla enkulu, ngazuthi akakhoni kuhlala ngafaki leya nto layana laphana ku-Time. Some saying ukuthi kusho ukuthi uAndile ubusy ufuna umntwana emfana because what the hell we know abantu aba-Andile Mpesane bonke all their girls. And people are saying ukuthi maybe uAndile utefunela mntwana wemfana. Some people are even saying ukuthi sanesikhathi sokumithisa uThami angathi ubona ukuthi sewudoba ihubo. The reason why abantu bathi udoba ihubo ukuthi baba bathatha indoda yabo laphana Mkhize badisa ku-auction nyalo bathathe 14 cars, bake bathatha neclub yebhola nje. Things are not looking good. So bantu bathe wena wazi ukuthi ubona simo sishube kangaka ekhaya kini usanesikhathi sokwenda bantwana. But guys, nanoma bathatha indoda yabo, these people still have money. Utakhona ku-maintain umntwana, nakhona ukhona mama mama usanayo imali, ngeke ahlale mamkhize ongabi nemali ayifihlile bophasi kwebhedo. Uyade obvious bekade kokuthi lelanga leli SARS litomfikela. So I'm sure ukuthi she was prepared, nkosi yami, for the worst. So people had a lot to say lapha ku Twitter. Uthi Miss B, he really wants a boy. Uthi Mzukisi make the guy on the right white. Uthi a strange what umangele ukuthi hayibo liqiniso leli ukuthi uAndile is gonna have mntwana ke was5. Uthi cebo lethi Time is beautiful, wadlala ukuthanda imali nje waxoma lo Sirinayi. Uthi sipakupaku yena pipiliza madoda uhlulwa umfana omncane. Please do comment what you think below down in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. This is the end of my video. I am signing out. So goodbye.